Glad you called, man. Hadn't heard from you in a while. This is the 2-inch Neptune meter, and it doesn't matter whether it's the Neptune meter or Badger meter. Once you remove your bolts, you may have to pry it to pop it open, but if you've already got it out of the pit and you've got it in your office, remove the top. Be careful how you remove it. Come straight up, because you've got a magnet here you want to be careful of. Now, pull your gasket off. Get you a screwdriver, flat screwdriver. Vince, come over here and show him how he pulls. You're gonna pull this strainer up. If it cocks with you, work it this way, okay? Then push the chamber away so that this O-ring will separate. Then pull the chamber up. Then when you pull it up, you'll take the O-ring, which I don't have one on this one, but you'll take the O-ring off. Pull this apart. Okay? You pull this apart, then what you've got next, you've got what we call the diaphragm. I tip it down and pull it straight out. No big deal. This is the division plate. If you'll notice, it's got a groove here. Put it back in its place. Make sure it's locked in place. This is called the thrust roller. Make sure the roller's in place. And then insert it. You can insert it the same way, but be careful again. That is pretty sensitive. So drop it down in there. Okay? That's good and tight, good and snug. And then you'll see a groove here. So you want to groove to groove. And when you groove to groove, it snaps. When it snaps, you're done. Put your O-ring back in. Press up against it. Turn it around. You'll see a groove. Vince, if you would show them, there's a groove here. So you want to set this down in here carefully. Then line up the groove so that you'll notice the back of the strainer has got a tab area that goes down slowly and easily, and you want to press it down. There you go. Hey, Nick, it's simple as that. Got any questions, give me a call. Thanks, bud.